Coco, and we're back with another video. So boom, as you can tell by the title below, well, today's not really like a vlogmas. I'm not really vlogging anything, but it's just like a video, I guess. So I will be unboxing, as you see in the title below, these Amazon packages. I will be unboxing these Amazon packages. And yeah, I'm gonna play with the knife. No, but I know it's not really festive looking in here in the frame, but just know we're getting the house ready for Christmas Eve and it's looking pretty delicious in here, okay? So, also I will be doing a lip, I feel like I look creepy with this knife. I don't care, I'm talking with the knife. Also I will be doing like a Christmas list or whatever, like kind of what a young mom or even a regular mom, I don't know if you're just a mom or, you know what I'm saying, really is personalized for me and what I would like, or you know what I'm saying, what another female would like. I don't know, whatever, you feel me? But yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. And before we get into it, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, because what is you doing? I'm sick of y'all, I'll be seeing the views and the subscriber count. Come on now, we almost at 400. Stop playing, my, you know what I'm saying, my man YG. But anyways, back to the video. Go ahead, like, go ahead, comment, go ahead, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell right up there. Yep, right there. Yeah. Go ahead, do that. I'll wait. Oh, okay. If you're new, you already know what time it is. It's your girl Coco. Okay, boom. All right, got the introduction. Nice to meet you. All right, let's get into the video. All right, y'all. So first, hold on. I'm gonna make sure that there's no gifts in here before I sit here and open this stuff, because I tried to record a video like earlier in the week and it was like all the gifts that I got. I was like, damn. Cause I don't like looking to see, unless it's like something that's like personally for me or something, then, or if I know it's like running a little bit behind, I'm like, dang, I ordered that a little minute ago. I don't really be checking what comes in the mail. Unless it's my Fashion Nova package, because they be tripping sometimes. Let me see. Oh, okay, so boom, this is, I get ARLEEK snacks, yeah, I have a subscription for his snacks, so basically he gets like these now. They're cute, they're cool, they do what they gotta do, you know what I'm saying? You get the salty and the sweet, you feel me? Savory and the sweet, you feel me? So I got that. What is this? Oh, finally, this is my car mount. Hopefully, we're gonna see. I'm trying to get that car, I was trying to get that car video to you guys, but I wanted to wait till I got the new car mount, because remember last year I had got that one for Vlogmas, and yeah, it wasn't doing, it broke literally like 2 seconds after I got it home. Purchase, thanks for your purchase. Okay, you're welcome. This look like some heavy duty stuff. This heavy. This look like it's gonna do something. Hopefully this one stays and I can do some more car vlogs for you guys, because I'm always in the car, so hopefully we can get that to you guys. What's this? Oh, y'all, so I want to get my nose pierced again. If you don't know, I got my nose pierced like 5 times in my lifetime. And I was thinking about getting my belly button pierced again, but I'm gonna wait till I lose some more weight. Your girl lost 10 pounds. Stop playing with your girl, okay? Anyways, So I got these little, like, you see those like TikTok nose ring things or whatever? So I got, hold on. I want to try it on. Wait, how do you put it on? It just goes in. Shit. Okay. This video is probably gonna be long and I'm not gonna have. Anyways. Hold on. How do you do it? You just like clip it in there? Is it on? Wait. Stop playing with your girl. Bro. Stop playing with your girl. Who want the smoke? I'll wait. Who want the smoke? I'll wait. No, I'm kidding. I don't know how I feel about that. There's a lot going on. We gonna keep it in. See, I mean, you don't really feel it. I don't know, but it's cute. Got a little different design. Stop playing with your girl. Maybe a different design. Maybe not this one. Maybe not this one, but you know, it gets the vibes. It gets the vibes. Feel me? Cool with the fit. All right, so boom, that's that. All right, somebody might get that in their stock and stuff. I think that's what that was. Let me finish the boxes. I think that's also why I got it, because I was like, I want people to like, I want us to be 20. Like, me and my friends to be 20. What is this? Let me not cut myself. What is this? Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, bet. So I got some Hershey Kisses Huggies with the white chocolate, because I could not find these in the store. So I bought them here for this recipe that I'm doing. I mean, it's not really a recipe. It's like a little mini snack that I'm doing for Christmas Eve. So I got that. I think that's what the rest of this stuff is. I don't know. We gonna see. Well, these I should be able to open, right? Ow. Okay. Okay, boom. Yes. Yes. Okay, so I think these are just the rest of it. So I got also these festive M&Ms, because you already know what time it is. Do I want to eat them right now? Maybe. So this is probably off for like the recipe that I'm doing, because I could not find what I needed in the store. I was like, what the heck? Amazon always comes through though when they need to. So then I got these little snap. They didn't have like the big bulky one. Well, they didn't have it on Prime, and I didn't want to have to wait because, you know, shipping been crazy lately. So I got the little snap pretzels. If you know what I'm about to do, then you know what I'm about to do. You know what time it is. So yeah, that's that. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So let's get into peep my socks. Shout out to Riley, period. Put the knife right there. So basically, for the list portion of this video, I'm just gonna be like listing stuff that I would like. I believe that's how it goes. But that's how I'm gonna do it on my channel. I don't know how everybody else do it on their channel, but on my channel, that's what we're about to do. So basically, I'm gonna start off with general, just like mom things. So yeah, let's do that. All right, boom. You can tell I do not plan these videos out. We're a big Wing It family over here, okay? Shout out, comment down below, Wing It all right. So first, as a mom or a young mom or whatever, any type of care package or anything like that, such as like a little basket with like wet wipes, diapers, you know, getting diapers, getting clothes, getting shoes, because babies be growing in 0.2 seconds. It'd be crazy. Like, sir, you was literally just wearing that yesterday. What you doing? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so anything like that, that's always good. And make sure you plan out which like season it's gonna be. Like, if you get something that's like a year in advance, or like it's wearable for a long time, make sure it's like in the season. Like, don't be buying, like, we stay in Houston, so don't be buying like a whole bunch of like winter clothes for one. Like, my son is at 1, right? He just made 1. So don't buy him a whole bunch of winter clothes right now, because now winter's about to be over. You know what I'm saying? Like, well, and he got a shit ton of winter stuff for his birthday. You see what I'm saying? Because that made sense. His birthday's in October, and then by the time we're in December, he's 18 months. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Just plan for stuff like that for people who don't have kids, you know, still want to get their friends some gifts. Also, what is that? Okay, also paying for like a nail appointment. Baby, what's up, baby?
Byron right now.
What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner.
Hey, yo.
Not for real though, like, what's up, baby? All right, bro. You know you crazy when you laugh at your own jokes. Mind your business. But yeah, nail appointments, any type of spa day, any type of like face mask. Hair. I love me some hair. Give me a good hair mask. We best buddies. Hair mask, foot mask, creams, like any type of skincare regimen, spa thing. I'm with it. I'm down with it. Bath, all that. I'm with it. So that's me personally. And yeah, that's pretty much it for like basket wise. So like stuff like that. If you don't like really personally like engage with the person like on a day-to-day basis and like really just don't know what they want, try like doing a Elster group for your friends. Like me and my family, we use Elster. It's pretty cool, you know, connected to your Amazon, all that good stuff. Like, cause I got hella Amazon lists. You ask me what I want, here my Amazon list, and I got different ones. I got one for like a new, if I'm moving. I got one for Play. I got one for ARLEEK. I got one, you know what I'm saying? I got hella lists. Which one do you want, baby? You know what I'm saying? I will be linking my Amazon list down below. But yeah, so there's that. I also like any type of like gift card. Like I personally do. I need to stop saying like for real, like talking ain't no back talk, you feel me? But any type of like gift card, personally, I would suggest for me, I would like any type of Bath and Body Works, Victoria's Secret, you know, the usual, Forever 21 or Fashion Nova, as y'all see. Any type of gift card, really, like a $25 gift card, gonna work wonders. Put it in my gas tank. Gas prices going high, baby. Okay, show love, thank you. Really just like anything that you feel it, anything that's also heartfelt, I guess. Like if you remember that I like a Hershey bar with the nuts in it, bro, what's up? What's up? Let's go on a date. What's up? No, I'm kidding. But I'm being goofy, y'all. Just ignore me. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like there's really this time, I'm really just, this year I should say, I'm just chilling, because last year we didn't really get to do a Christmas because of COVID. What's up? Like, you know what I'm saying? So this year I'm just happy to do like our regular scheduled program, what our family does. We do like I'm going blank, y'all. The Christmas Eve like festivities that we always have. Like if you follow me on social media, we've always done that, caroling, all that good stuff. Like I just like this, 'tis the season, you know what I'm saying? I love all of it. I'm all for the headassery. I'm with it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and try to insert some photos in here so y'all not just sitting here watching me talk all day and day. And I will be dropping some links to like some Pinterest stuff that I personally like, or recipes that I want to do. That will be coming up in the next few videos. There's gonna be some recipes and some DIY projects that I will be doing for Christmas Eve. I know I'm all like literally all over the place, y'all. I super apologize, but that's just how my brain works, honestly. I could probably have like a script of what I'm gonna say, and I never go off of it. I tried doing that when I first started doing YouTube, and yeah, it just didn't work. So it's just better this way. This is more real, it's more raw, this is more uncut. Maybe not as entertaining, maybe it is. I don't know. We don't know. We're gonna see, and we're gonna continue doing what I do, because that's me. This is my life, you know? And you're watching COCO'S TV. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my craziness. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I look like bum bum bum. Which I know about that too. Y'all don't know about that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Please let me know what you guys want to see next. Like, I've seen a lot of my comment section go up, and I love all the compliments that I'm getting about my hair, about my energy. I love it. But please let me know what you guys want to see next, because honestly, like, I kind of have a idea with, I'm gonna do whatever I want, but I don't want to just like put stuff out there and, you know, you guys don't really care to watch it, you know what I'm saying? So I have just been putting up some BS videos lately just because of vlogmas. Like, I feel like that's usually like a planned thing for most people who do that. They're like, oh yeah, this day we're gonna go. So they do like a whole bunch of like head ads for 25 days of Christmas, and I love it. But I personally just don't have the time to do that. Yeah, so yeah, please just let me know what you guys want to see next. Please, you know, show some love. If you don't like this video, try to go watch another video of me and see if you like that one. I have pregnancy videos, baby videos. I will be doing a one-year-old baby update about food, tools, and all that good stuff. So I will be doing that. That's coming up soon. You know, versus challenges. I have all that on my channel, you know what I'm saying? So we're a pretty diverse channel. We have a lot of niches, and yeah, I'm trying to get, you know, the content out for you guys. I'm trying to get the energy out to you guys. I'm trying to reach you guys, and yeah, let's get it. Let's all win. Let's prosper. Let's prosper in the next new coming year. Okay, let's get it. Peace. All right, hold up. Do y'all see that nose ring though? Stop playing. Let me go say bye.